Excuse you. Where are you going? Trying to get over there? Oh my goodness. You gotta scoot. Move your feet. Yay! You are so big! I am so proud of you. Oh, the dryer's a little warm, honey.